Hi friends, welcome back to Holistic Health and Homesteading. Today I am going to be making chocolate covered strawberry oatmeal bake. I like meal planning this for the week for my children because in the mornings we usually have a lot going on and it just makes things easier when I don't have to actually cook. So it's good in the fridge for up to 5 days. You just take it out, put it in a plate and heat it up and it's good to go. For this recipe, you're going to preheat your oven to 375, which I already have mine set. And then we are going to do oatmeal. Since I am doubling up my batch, I am doing 2 cups of oats in this one and 2 cups of oats in this bowl. And then we're going to do our brown sugar. Each one is going to take 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Make sure it's level. Then we are going to do our baking powder. So we need a teaspoon of baking powder. Teaspoon. All right, so then we are going to do the salt and the cinnamon. The cinnamon, we are going to do a teaspoon as well. And then the salt is going to be a 1/2 teaspoon. So the next part, we're gonna add in 1.5 cups of strawberries per each bowl. So I gotta rinse these off first. Make sure that they're nice and clean. I usually just cut mine in 6 or 8s. Grab my measuring cup. I know how many I'm cutting. And the good thing about this recipe is you can add different toppings to it. You can do whipped cream, you can do chocolate syrup. You can add walnuts to it as well. My kids are pretty simple. They like strawberries and chocolate. I have made this before with strawberries and blueberries and raspberries, and that was really good. So I usually just do it with whatever we have on hand. Any types of fruits that are starting to go bad or need to be eaten soon. A little bit more. So that's about 1.5. Then we're just gonna throw it into one of the bowls and then get another one filled for the next bowl. All right, now that we got that one, we're gonna pour that into the other bowl. Then I am going to save all of these for our little chickens. So let me put these all in a bowl. Now we have to add in the chocolate chips. It's gonna be about a 1/2 cup. We are going to mix them all together. We're gonna mix them really good. So then we're going to pour them into our pans. And spread it out evenly. So they're gonna look like this. Put them to the side. And then we're going to sprinkle a little bit more chocolate chips on the top. Okay. So now what we're going to do in the same bowls that we mixed everything in, we are going to mix the wet products. So we are going to do 2 cups of milk in each one. There's 1. And 2. All right, so now we are going to do 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then we're going to do 1 egg in each one. And I saved my eggshells so I can give those to the chickens. Then we're going to do 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And then the other 3 tablespoons of butter. Mix it very well. And then once it's mixed, we are going to pour over the oatmeal in our baking dishes. We're going to pour it evenly over the whole mix. And take this one, pour it evenly. You're going to tap very lightly onto the counter to make sure it's even. And then you're going to bake it for 40 minutes. All right, so the oven is done. We're gonna get these out. All right, so you'll be able to tell that these are done when the sides are boiling. I don't know if you can see it through it. When the sides are bubbling and it's a little golden brown on the top. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna set this to broil. We're gonna add the last 2 tablespoons of brown sugar onto the top of these, and then we're gonna let it broil for like 2 to 3 minutes. We want to keep a close eye on them to make sure that they don't get burned. All right, they look good. And you can see what they look like. Look how amazing that looks. So yeah, that is our chocolate covered strawberry oatmeal bake. And if you enjoy this recipe, please do all the likey YouTubey things. Follow, like, subscribe, and you'll be able to get updated when I post more videos. Bye friends.